Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Webtech Tutorial. In today's episode, I will be helping you learn how to change password on Coinspot account. If you'd like to update your password for security for Coinspot, then the process is quite easy to follow. The first thing to do is to open a web browser and in the URL box type in coinspot.com.au and press enter on your keyboard to end up in the official site for Coinspot. Also make sure to log into your account and once logged in, click on your profile drop down at the top right corner. In the pop-up, click on Security. From the Security tab, click on Change Password from the left-hand side menu. Enter your current password or your old password in the first text box and on the next field, type in your new password you would like to change to. Re-enter the new password in the last field and click on Save. Soon after you do that, you will be able to change your password for your Coinspot account. So that is how easily it can be done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also, press on the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.